If your OBS Studio recordings or streams are plagued by annoying echoes, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step exactly how to eliminate those echoes, whether they're coming from duplicate audio sources, your room itself, or even software conflicts. By the end, your audio should sound clean, professional, and totally echo-free. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to tackle one of the most common causes: duplicate audio sources. Go ahead and look at your audio mixer panel in OBS Studio. When you speak into your microphone or play something on your computer, pay close attention to the little bars moving up and down. You want to see just one bar reacting to your voice for your microphone, and one for your desktop audio if you're capturing game sounds or music. If multiple bars are bouncing when you talk, that means OBS is picking up your voice from more than one source, which almost always creates a nasty echo or even a doubled-up effect. It's an easy fix. Simply click the speaker icon, that's the mute button, next to any extra sources you don't need. Just make sure the correct one stays active and mute the rest. Take your time with this. Getting your audio mixer tidy is the foundation for echo-free streaming. Once you've sorted out duplicate sources, let's make your microphone sound even better and more echo-resistant by using filters. Right-click on your microphone source in the audio mixer, then select Filters. In the window that pops up, click that little plus sign to add a filter and choose Noise Suppression. This filter is like having a virtual sound engineer working quietly behind the scenes to scrub away unwanted background sounds, including minor echoes or computer hums. You can gently tweak the settings. More suppression can help in noisy environments, but don't go overboard or your voice might start sounding robotic. Think of it like seasoning food. A little does a lot. While you're here, you can also add a noise gate filter, which is great for keeping out any distracting background noise when you're not speaking. It's especially helpful if you have pets, fans, or neighbors making a racket. Now, let's make sure your global audio devices in OBS aren't sneaking in extra sounds. Go to File, then Settings, and find the Audio section. Under Global Audio Devices, double-check that only your main microphone is enabled. If you see other devices, set them to Disabled. This step helps prevent a feedback loop, where your audio gets recaptured and played over itself, creating a surreal echo chamber effect. It's a small menu tweak that can make a huge difference. Here's another common culprit: monitoring audio through speakers. If you're hearing yourself echo and your microphone is picking up both your voice and the sound coming out of your PC speakers, that's a recipe for endless frustration. Switch to headphones if you haven't already. This stops the sound from bouncing into your mic. And for a final check, in Advanced Audio Properties, make sure monitoring for your microphone is set to mute or turned off. That way, you won't hear yourself with a delay, which can be distracting and confusing if you're presenting live. A quick but important checkpoint: sometimes it's not OBS causing problems, but other software. Programs like Discord, Skype, or any audio enhancers could also be grabbing your mic or audio, doubling up the sound and causing unexpected echoes. Close these apps, at least while you troubleshoot, to see if your echo disappears. Sometimes less is more when it comes to running software in the background. Finally, let's talk about your actual recording space. Even with perfect OBS settings, a bare room can produce natural echo. Try moving your microphone closer to your mouth. The less distance your voice has to travel, the less it'll bounce around. Around. Surroundings matter too. Soft surfaces absorb sound, so adding things like acoustic foam panels, hanging up rugs, or even drawing the curtains can dramatically cut down on echo. Imagine you're turning your room from an empty gym into a cozy studio. Every bit helps. And that's it. With these steps, you should notice a massive improvement in your audio quality. No more distracting echoes, just crisp, clear sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have questions or run into any snags, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. For more tutorials on OBS Studio and streaming tips, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.